Let's start frothing milk with your milk frother. Place the power base on a flat, level surface and plug the power cord into an outlet. Take out the silicone pad, chocolate cover, frothing whisk, and frothing whisk holder. Then assemble them in order. Next, place the milk jug onto the power base, making sure its exterior is clean and dry. Place the frothing whisk into the milk jug. Pour in an appropriate amount of chocolate powder and water, making sure not to exceed the maximum level. Cover the lid. The power button will illuminate. Press the power button to turn on the milk frother. Press mode button to enter selection mode. Then press it again to choose the hot chocolate mode. The selected mode icon will flash 3 times, and the frother will begin working. Once the frothing process is complete, the machine will stop automatically. Now you have a delicious cup of hot chocolate. To turn off the machine, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. Now enjoy your drink.